Hi everyone, this is Dr. Napuni from KR Dental.
Now we'll move on to flossing.
Now we'll start with the standard string dental floss. Make sure you get yourself a nice long piece of the floss and you can wrap that around your middle fingers like this, and that leaves your forefinger and your thumb available to grab it with this pincer grip. This is what's going to make it a lot easier for you. Now you can gently move the floss between the teeth like this. Gently push it all the way down until the floss meets the end of the gum line. You'll actually find that the floss will go quite a bit under the gum line here. Then you want to press up against one side of that gap and pull up to remove the plaque there. Re-enter into the same spot and do the other side. So you can visualize this as if there's a triangle between the two teeth and that you're flossing the two sides of the triangle there. You can also use the floss to clean behind the very back tooth as well. This might be a bit easier to do than using the brush. So doing this, you'll make sure that there's nothing hanging around on the backs of the teeth too. Now it is normal to get bleeding while you're doing this, especially if you haven't flossed in a while. After flossing for about a week every night, you'll find that the bleeding stops completely. You can also use Interdental brushes to clean between the teeth. What I'm showing you here is a Pikster, that's one brand. There are lots of other brands that produce these brushes. They're very easy to use, they're just single-handed. You just can fit that in between the teeth quite easily and just move it back to front. It works similar to a toothpick but is a lot more effective. These brushes can be reused, just give them a rinse under running water and usually you can use this for a few days.